Hey everyone, it's me Steven with the Handmaidens. It's autumn here in upstate New York and it is time to clean out my gutters. I should have done it earlier in the season, but the leaves are falling. We've got tons of beautiful leaves. Leaves in the yard. Leaves still in the trees, so I might have to do this again, but worst of all, leaves in my gutters. That's what we want the gutter to look like. That's what I'm dealing with. So a couple reasons for cleaning out gutters. One is it prevents the water from overflowing out of the gutter system down to the foundation, soaking your foundation, coming in through where the foundation and the footing meet. Because normally there's a seam there, and that's a good place for water to enter your home and destroy everything that it is that you love, that you keep down underground. Now my house is relatively dry, but it could be drier, so I keep a dehumidifier running. Oh, there's Aiden. He's doing, and so I could keep it a little bit drier, so that's one reason. And the second is to save your roof and your ceilings. So when you don't clean your gutters, and then ice gets right under here. It gets under there. Water is a funny way of destroying things, and it gets down into your house and it ruins your ceilings, it ruins your insulation, it ruins your electric. It just makes life heck on earth, and it's no good. But you can do it. You can do it yourself. You can hire a neighborhood boy. You can hire a handyman. People will clean your gutters for you if you are unable to. If you don't have the means to get up on your roof or have a ladder, there's different methods of doing it. So my house, I lived in a raised ranch, so all I needed was a 24-foot extension ladder. And when you climb up onto a roof, I learned this in my years of construction, you need to be at least three rungs above the surface that you're walking onto, and that's for safety. So I also have I don't have the ladder tied off, but I do have the feet with the cleats. They're kicked up in, and and I press them into the ground, so that way it's not going to go anywhere. And then when I go to get down off of the roof, I'll probably have my wife foot the ladder. And what footing the ladder is you put both of your feet on the bottom legs of the ladder, and then they hold on to the ladder like this, so that way the ladder doesn't kick out and you don't wind up like Clark Griswold or worse. Because falling from any height of 6 feet or greater could be fatal, and we don't want that to happen. I want you to live a nice, long life. So let me show you what I'm up to. So this is also a good opportunity to inspect everything. So I did a little bit of cleaning just to make sure things weren't too crazy. You can use a pressure washer if you'd like. Now my roof is a little bit on the older side, so I do need to replace it soon, and we'll probably do a video on that. That'll be a fun project. I think I'm going to do metal roofing like my neighbors over there. They seem to have a great time with that, and it's very little maintenance and it lasts a very long time. So you just grab bits of pieces of it, you can put it in a bucket. I have a garden area below, so I just toss it in the garden area. And then my wife's doing some weeding down below, so she can take care of that. But just make sure that you do a good job, clean it. And all this little stuff that's left behind, that'll all wash down the gutter and go down the downspout. go down the downspout, and it'll all be good. It'll wash right away. A lot of gutters have caps on them, and this gutter system had caps on it, but it was older, so it was broken, so it's doing more harm than good because organic material, leaves and twigs and debris were getting into it, and I wasn't able to clean it because the cap system was impeding my ability. So there you have it, folks. It's a beautiful day, and I'm out here doing some routine maintenance on a house that everybody should be doing, if especially if you live in an area with deciduous trees. Till next time, see you later. Bye.